This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace the battery in your Acura MDX keyless remote. First, gather your tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a coin, and a new CR 2032 coin cell battery. This simple task can save you a trip to the dealership and ensure your remote works reliably. Let's get started by preparing your workspace and ensuring you have everything at hand for a smooth replacement process. Now, let's open your key fob. Look for a small release button, usually on the side. Press this button and slide out the emergency key. With the emergency key removed, you'll see a small notch. Carefully insert your flathead screwdriver or coin into this notch and gently twist to pry the two halves of the key fob apart. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic casing. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. Gently pry out the old CR 2032 battery. Now, take your new CR 2032 battery and insert it into the slot, ensuring the positive side, usually marked with a plus sign, is facing the same direction as the old one. It should fit snugly into place. Now, carefully align the two halves of your key fob and snap them back together until they are securely closed. Don't forget to slide the emergency key back into its slot until it clicks firmly into place. Once reassembled, test your remote's functions by locking and unlocking your vehicle to confirm the new battery is working correctly. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks, plus other great deals. Enjoy your fully functional key fob.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.